serious and spooky. They're all together spooky. The Addams Family. Their house is a museum. When people come to see them, they really are a scream. The Addams Family.
Children, what are you doing? I want to electrocute him.
But we're late for the charity auction.
But Mother,
I said no.
please.
Oh,
the intoxicating smell of the graveyard. Once a year, when the last leaf of autumn falls, we gather to honor the great cycle of life and death. Come, every member of our clan, living, dead, and undecided, and let us celebrate what it is to be an adult. When you're an adult, you need to have a little moonlight. When you're an adult, you need to feel a little chill.
That's the way
When you're an adult, you need to have a sense of humor. When you're an adult,
you need to have a taste for death.
who cares about the world outside and what it wants from you? When you're an adult, you do whatever flows you. On this special night, beneath our fallen tree, we summon our beloved ancestors. Rigor mortis!
When you're an adult, you are a very special duty. When you're an adult, you're obligated to the time.
It's not the first step, then we last step, then we die and die. When you're an adult, the spirit don't lie. When you're an adult, you do what adults do or Everyone works with the Addams Family.